Hello, and welcome back to the Abundance Blueprint. Today we are going to look deeper at The Secret, the 2006 documentary that has inspired millions of people to discover the power of positive thinking and visualization. The film features interviews with some of the world's leading experts on the law of attraction, and it has been called a game changer for anyone seeking to improve their life and achieve their goals. In this video, we'll explore the key teachings of The Secret and show you how to apply them in your own life. As the author, Rhonda Byrne, explains, basically, the law of attraction tells us whatever we will believe, we will manifest. If we believe we are deserving of great love, then we will manifest it. If we believe we are going to be poor, we're going to stay poor. If we believe we don't deserve something, it's not going to come to us. Sounds pretty amazing, right? So, we attract what we think. What we think becomes our reality. What we manifest depends on the thoughts we have. Here are the top 5 lessons this series teaches us. 1. Attract, believe, receive. The formula to make your desires come true. This is a 3-step process to manifest your desires. Step 1. Attract. Whatever desire you have, you need to narrow it down to its specifics. For e.g., I want to be rich, is a broad desire. You can narrow it down to, I want X amount of money by date. Now, it sounds like a joke, doesn't it? What if I say I want $1,000 by tomorrow and I don't get it? The secret has officially failed me, I'd exclaim. But here's where the second step comes to play. Step 2. Believe. You can only attract what you believe will happen. If you write your desire to be a popular YouTuber who earns well, but deep inside you're doubtful because you feel you won't make it as there are thousands of others who tried and have failed, that means you don't believe in your desire. To attract something, you need to believe that it's attainable. So if getting $1,000 tomorrow is something you may not convince your own mind to achieve, why will the universe be convinced? And once you do, you need to pretend to live that you have received it, which brings us to the next step. Step 3. Receive. Once you believe you will get something, you need to behave as you have received it. This is because it will put you in the frequency and will channelize your behavior to be ready to receive it. For e.g., if you want to be a writer and you tell yourself every day that you're a writer, it will shape your behavior by taking out time to create your craft and write with this mindset. But if you don't believe it, and if you just feel, oh, I have expressed my desire and it'll come one day, then it will come, one day. If you behave as you've received it, you are more likely to commit actions that bring you closer to achieving your desire. She has based the entire series on this theory. 2. Have the courage to see your dreams. Most of us are too afraid to even dream because in our heads we feel it's undoable. How can you dream about doing something extraordinary in a world where it's important to have money? How can we think of doing something crazy when our CVs must look polished? Why should we dream about something where thousands fail each day? Having the courage to dream and to see it is the first step to even have a desire. Why do such few people become outliers? Because fewer people believe that they can. You have it in you to achieve what you put your heart to. Visualize your success, feel it happen. Only once you can see it can you manifest it. 3. Gratitude is magnetic. I started out giving thanks for small things, and the more thankful I became, the more my bounty increased. That's because what you focus on expands, and when you focus on the goodness in your life, you create more of. Rhonda Byrne. Rhonda writes that gratitude is the grounds of attraction. If you're not grateful, no law of anything will benefit you. She recommends saying thank you as many times as you can during the day to be conscious of all things you're blessed with. In her book, The Magic, she also recommends writing a gratitude journal to write 10 things you're grateful for each day. Because of that, I have been writing a gratitude journal for 5 years and it has changed my life. If you keep thinking you're broke or you don't have enough money, you will never have enough money no matter how much you desire it. She explains that only if you're grateful for what you have will you be blessed with more. If you're always cribbing about your current state, you will stay where you are. We seldom see great stuff happen to pessimistic people. Being grateful emits frequencies of being abundant and content with what you have, which is important to receive abundance. Being grateful is a state of mind, and it's important to monitor your state of mind. This brings us to the next lesson. 4. Your awareness is the greatest secret. Everything else you see and experience in this world is a fact, and that includes your feelings. The cause is always your thoughts. Rhonda Byrne. And the entire latest book, The Greatest Secret, talks about this. It explains the importance of awareness to be in tune with everything we have mentioned above. It emphasizes the phrase, thoughts become things, because your thoughts have the power to create reality, so we need to try to think positively as frequently as we can. It's normal to have negative feelings and emotions, but accept them as momentary and impermanent and hop back. Being aware of your feelings and emotions will help you recognize this. Thoughts become things. 5. Love is the ultimate emotion. Remember how it felt back in high school when your crush waved at you? Or how you felt when you dated for the first time? And the feeling of holding a newborn baby? Or the time your dog was a pup? Something in your heart just expands, right? Your chest feels so full. Because you feel love. When you love what you do it with more passion and produce momentous results. When you love your body, it's easier to attain your fitness goals with the motivation of becoming fitter because you love and respect your body and not because you resent it. When you love people around you, the room feels warm and toasty, like sipping hot chocolate on a cold winter evening. When you choose to dwell on the emotion of love for everything and all actions, you use the most powerful energy of the universe. But what about those who hurt you? When you choose to love in your heart instead of criticizing them, you flourish. Not to forget that criticizing is throwing negativity that impacts you and not that. Choose love, there's always a choice. Love brings the feeling of joy and happiness effortlessly. And for the brief time we have here, we might as well be joyful. Takeaways. The Secret is based on the premises of the law of attraction. The following books tell you how to use them effectively because you have it in you to take charge of your life and achieve your dreams. You can be the person you want to be, and you can dream no matter how ridiculous and unattainable it may sound to others. But you have to believe it, to be on the frequency of receiving it, so your actions can complement your beliefs and your vision. Here are the 5 primary lessons we get from these books. 1. Attract, believe, receive is the formula to make your desires come true. 2. Have the courage to see your dreams. 3. Gratitude helps you feel abundant and attract abundance. 4. Your awareness is the greatest secret you can use to harness the power of thoughts. 5. Love is the ultimate emotion. May the universe conspire in all of your desires. Thanks for watching our video about The Secret. We hope you've enjoyed learning more about this powerful documentary and its teachings. Remember, the law of attraction is not a magic formula, but rather a way of thinking and being that can help you live your best life. By staying focused on your goals, staying positive, and taking action towards your dreams, you can achieve success and happiness beyond your wildest dreams. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and we'll see you in the next one.